Sawasti Ka. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the vibrant and delicious world of Thai cuisine. Today, we're diving into the morning delights of Thailand, the top 5 breakfast dishes that will kickstart your day with a burst of flavor. What does local people usually like to eat? You will see here. Our first breakfast dish is Khao Tom, also known as Thai rice soup. Khao Tom is a popular and comforting breakfast dish in Thailand. It's a warm, soothing soup made from rice and various ingredients, and it's loved for its simplicity and versatility. It's made with rice, garlic, ginger, and can be customized with various ingredients like chicken, pork, fish, or shrimp. Khao Tom is not only enjoyed as a breakfast dish but also as comfort food when someone is feeling under the weather. It's known for its nourishing qualities and the gentle, mild flavor of the rice and broth. Next, jok, also known as Thai rice congee, is a traditional Thai breakfast dish that's similar to rice porridge or congee found in other Asian cuisines. It's a comforting and soothing dish that's easy on the stomach and often served with various toppings and condiments. Thai people love to eat jok with pa thong ko. You can choose from a variety of proteins to add to your jok, including minced pork, chicken, shrimp, fish, or preserved eggs. You can also use a combination of these for added flavor. Jok is often regarded as a warm and comforting dish that's perfect for cool mornings or when you're feeling under the weather. Third, Khao Neow Moo Ping, a favorite for those who love a bit of sweetness and smokiness. Grilled pork skewers served with sticky rice. Pork meat is thin slices of pork, often from the shoulder or neck area, are used for the skewers. The pork is typically marinated in a flavorful mixture, which can include ingredients like coconut milk, garlic, cilantro roots, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and black or white pepper. This dish is a favorite street food item in Thailand and is enjoyed not only for breakfast but also throughout the day. The combination of sweet, smoky pork with sticky rice and the spicy dipping sauce creates a delightful balance of flavors and textures, making it a popular and satisfying choice for a meal in Thailand. Next is Khao Kang, a popular Thai meal that features a selection of pre-cooked dishes served over rice. It's a convenient and budget-friendly way to enjoy a variety of Thai flavors and is commonly found in street food stalls, canteens, and restaurants throughout Thailand. Here are more details about Khao Kang. Khao Kang literally means rice with a curry, and rice is the central element of this meal. It serves as the base for the various curry and side dish options. Khao Kang features a wide array of pre-cooked curries and side dishes, each with its own distinct flavors and ingredients. Common choices include various Thai curries, green, red, yellow, massaman, etc., stir-fried dishes, grilled or fried proteins, vegetable dishes, and more. The selection of curries and side dishes can change daily, depending on what's freshly prepared or what's popular at the time. This provides diners with the opportunity to try a diverse range of Thai dishes in one meal. Khao Kang can be served in different ways. Mixed platter. Some places may serve your chosen dishes in small portions, arranged on a single plate with your rice. Buffet style. In some Khao Kang restaurants, you'll have the freedom to serve yourself, selecting your choice of dishes from a buffet-style spread. Khao Kang is a popular and practical dining option in Thailand, offering a taste of the country's rich culinary heritage in a convenient and cost-effective way. Whether you're in search of a quick and satisfying meal or an opportunity to explore a variety of Thai flavors, Khao Kang is a great choice. Fifth is Tom. Lueat Moo is a popular Thai dish that translates to pork blood soup. It is often enjoyed as street food in Thailand and is known for its rich and fresh flavor. You can eat with or without rice, but most Thai always eat with rice. Here's more information about Tom Lueat Moo. This dish primarily features cubes of coagulated pork blood. The blood is collected from the pig, coagulated, and then sliced into bite-sized pieces. It has a gelatinous texture and readily absorbs the flavors of the broth. Tom Lueat Moo typically includes slices of pork meat, often lean cuts like pork loin or pork shoulder. Some variations of Tom Lueat Moo may include other ingredients like pork offal, such as pork intestines, liver, or heart. The level of spiciness can be adjusted to suit individual preferences, and you can add more or fewer chilies according to your taste. For more mouth-watering content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite. Until next time, Khao Kang, thank you, and happy eating!